Welcome to Morrison Homes and welcome to your new home. I'm JD, the warranty tech. I'd like to take you through and show you how to maintain your home. So we're down in the mechanical room and I'm going to show you how to change the filter on your furnace. Filters on these furnaces should be changed once every 4 months, maybe a little more frequently depending on how many people you have living within the home, or with pets as well. First thing you do, open up the filter door. It might get a little stiff initially. Careful, on the bottom of it, there's actually 2 tabs that slip into 2 slots. Then you can remove the filter that's in place. This one obviously is quite dirty. Normally these filters are about the same color as the cardboard on the box. You take this out, dispose of that later. Take your new filter. It's very important. On the box you have the airflow direction. We always want the direction of the airflow to go towards the furnace, the body of the furnace itself. So when you place this in, make sure the arrow is pointed towards the furnace. Then you replace the door, put the 2 tabs in the slots, and a little trick that I've used is to pinch one side and then the other side. That way you're not trying to slam the door all the time. And now you have a fresh, clean filter in your furnace.